Hello, this is Joey with 4WD Factory. Today we're going to be swapping out some lockout hubs on a Dana 44 out of a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. We're going to be swapping these tired worn hubs with a mile marker unit, part number 104. These are the same as like a GM 8.5 10 bolt or any 19 spline Dana 44 in Jeeps, GMs, Dodges, Fords, Internationals with the internal spline style lockout hubs. These will also replace your full-time hubs or drive flanges, like in some of the Chevys and Jeeps. Actually, these Wagoneers have those from the factories with the full-time four-wheel drive transfer case. But it's just a direct replacement. You take the caps off the drive flanges and you install the new hubs. But anyway, these mile marker hubs, we do have them on our website. They're $69 for a pair. We also have the worn hubs available also. But these come with, of course, the new hubs, snap rings, like O-ring seal for the cap, and the Allen screws and everything to get the job done. So you could do this with simple hand tools. All you'll need is a Allen wrench for the screws, a couple of picks to get the large snap ring out, and then the pliers here to get the small snap ring on the end of the stub shaft. So we'll start by taking the cap off here, and the cap will come right off. So as you can see here, the stub shaft has a smaller snap ring there on the end of the shaft. So you need to take that off first. And then using your pick, you can find the large snap ring that goes around the outside here on the inside, right along the hub. You can pull that out with the pick. It can be a little bit tricky sometimes. There it is. And a nice little trick, I guess, you can use to get the gear piece out. You take two of the screws from the cap, you screw it back into the holes there. And that gives you a little handle, and you can just pull the old ones right out. Okay, so here's the new gear piece from the mile marker hubs. I'm going to do the same procedure there to get these back in. Put a couple of screws in here. Put the screws in there. Wiggle it around till it finds its home. And there it goes. Sometimes this shaft will get pushed back like that. You can grab the shaft here by behind here in the knuckle opening there, and you can push it forward, and you can see the groove there for the stub shaft. And we put our oopsie, there it goes. And we put our snap ring on there. Make sure it snaps into place. Then get our large snap ring. Put the open end in there first. It makes it a lot easier. And you just push them in there. I get my other pick. It snaps right into place. Then we get our new stainless mile marker cap here. Get a couple of bolts. And you also got to watch this seal that goes around there. Make sure it doesn't get cocked sideways or get pinched in there whenever you want to put this back in. And there it is. Oh, and another thing to mention is you always want to put these in the free or open position. Otherwise, you'll be fighting the spring there if you try to put it in the lock position. So this is the hub spinning in free, and then you turn over to locked. And now we got the axles spinning inside of the axle there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll be ready to roll. I hope this answered, helped you guys out, answered some questions. We got a lot of people asking about conversions on this, that have the full-time hubs, the dry flanges, and just, basic replacement of these. So if you have any questions, let us know. Again, you can find these hubs on our website. It's www.4wdfactory.com, and again, these are $69 for a pair of these Supremium hubs. And also, we do have the Warn Premium hubs also. They're in the same section as these hubs on our website. Thanks for watching.